I want to thank the senator and his office. They've been very, very helpful to us for the last year or so. Senator Menendez's office has been a lone voice in the wilderness of people that are willing to help us. His aide, Zach Reiner, has been amazing, and I'm very grateful that you came here today, Senator. Like the senator said, the storm was the easy part. Dealing with Hurricane Sandy when it first happened, you know, all of us were sort of in shock a little bit, but we all had this sense that we've got flood insurance, it's gonna be okay. No one ever thought that our insurance company and our government would cheat us. And I'm sorry, that's the way we feel. We feel like we were cheated. The National Flood Insurance Policy really has some serious issues. There's serious problems. They need resolution. I'm very grateful that Senator Menendez is going to go down to DC and raise some of these points. You know, we just had this sense afterwards, you know, we lost our stuff, our house is in shambles, but it's going to be okay. We never thought in a million years that after almost 2 years, we would still be out of our home. And look around, we're not anywhere close. You know, it'll be easily another 6 months to 12 months before we can get back in here. Fortunately, we're in a situation where we're taken off the list to be approved for a REM grant, but even that process in and of itself is horrendous. The bureaucracy, the incompetence, the unreturned phone calls, the people that just feel like I don't know is an acceptable answer. And these are not situations, personally, we're the middle class. We just want to go to work and pay our taxes and make our communities a little bit better. We don't want to have to be in this situation. I've never even collected unemployment in my life. I don't want to be in a position where I'm going to the government to grant. I should not be a drain on public resources when I had a private solution. I had flood insurance, and that should have been taken care of. Simple as that. None of us. And when you look at me, you understand there are thousands of people in my situation. Thousands. You look around these neighborhoods, you don't necessarily realize because the homes look normal from the outside, but you step inside and this is what you see. So there are thousands of people that are displaced, thousands of people who can't get their lives back to normal, and they're caught in this bureaucracy of phone calls and paperwork and just trying to run around and told to go here and told to go there. It's incredible. It is almost every cliche you've ever heard about bureaucracy and insurance companies and government is absolutely real. And like I say, you know, as middle-class people, we're not used to this. And I can't tell you how many people have just accepted what was given them by the insurance company, what we call shut up and go away money, and that's what they did because they're not used to fighting. So, you know, we're very, very happy that we have an advocate like Senator Menendez's office that's going to do something about this. And I'll tell you the truth, it's probably too late for the Sandy victims, but as long as we stand up and say something has to be done about the flaws of the national flood insurance problem, something has to be done about the issues with FEMA, and at least we can benefit the next group of survivors, of victims that have to deal with something like this. There are serious, serious problems with the national flood insurance program, with the insurance companies that administer it, and FEMA as an overall, and we really would like something to be done. We would like to see, as taxpayers, that our money, our tax money, be handled more responsibly. That people that are in situations where they make this contract, flood insurance is replacement insurance. It's not actual cash value. You pay a premium, they collected premiums, 100 cents on the dollar, they should pay claims 100 cents on the dollar. It should not be pennies on the dollar that they're paying out. And they should not put taxpayers, premium payers, and United States citizens through the kind of runaround that Sandy victims have had to go through. It is unacceptable. And Senator, I thank you for trying to do something about it.